Hi, welcome to another paper planes video. In this video, we look at a big nose glider. So this is another simple build, which is just a couple of folds. The kind of interesting thing about this plane, it has a really big nose, as you can see, and easy to fold and flies well. So let's get started with this. As usual, we'll start with the rectangular paper, and then for the first step, fold it along the width, align the corners. As with any paper plane, just taking some time to getting crisp corners and aligned edges goes a long way. For this plane, it is a pretty simple build with simple folds, so even if it's forgiving, so even if you make small mistakes, it is okay. But get into the practice of making crisp folds. As you do that, once you get into making bigger planes or bigger paper planes with a lot of complex folds, it goes a long way and helps making better folds up front. Okay, so now open it up and pick up this corner and fold it. Make sure that it aligns with the center crease that we just created, and press it along. Next, take the other side and repeat the same thing. Now for the next step, pick up this corner and make it align with the line that we see by this fold. So and make sure that this crease that is already there aligns with this crease in the center. That makes it a clean parallel fold. Make sure that this edge aligns with the crease that we have in center. Okay, repeat it on the other side. This edge aligns with the crease here, so take it there and then fold it. Okay, next fold it like that. So you might have to adjust this crease a little bit if the folding is not uniform and doesn't align. So as I said, so I didn't think I didn't align in one of the previous steps. As you can see, there is a small gap here, which is okay for this plane. As I said, this is a simple fold plane, so it should still fly fine. But paying attention in upfront on these folds is really important. Okay, the next step, pick up one layer, the first layer here, and then fold it so that this edge aligns with this edge here. Okay, flip it over and then repeat the fold on the other side. Okay, that's pretty much it. So open up the plane, and you look at it from the top, you would see a slight dihedral angle, and dihedral is basically the angle between these two winglets. And if you make it a little if you make the winglets look push it a little towards the top, then you have some kind of a V here, which is a positive dihedral angle, and when it flies, it autocorrects itself. So yeah, that's it. It's a pretty easy build, and it flies really well. So try it out and have fun. I will meet you guys in a different build. Thank you.